How to qualify for Facebook blue check mark verification passed. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to get verification passed on your Facebook profile. Now open up your Facebook app like this. After you open Facebook, go to your profile. After you open your profile, scroll all the way to down and go to this. As you can see now here, it says meta verification. So from this option now, it will take some seconds. As you can see now, by the end of this video, you'll be able to get verified like this. So from this option now, tap on this unlock benefits. So go ahead and choose your Facebook. So after you choose your Facebook, as you can see now here, it says this is what you will get. What you get with your subscription. As you can see, it says a verification batch, increase. As you can see now, this one here, it says increase account protection, enhance this one, enhance support, upgrade profile picture. So these are the benefits that you'll be able to get after you verified your Facebook profile. Now tap on this continue button. So from this option now, tap on this add credit card or debit card, this one. So from this option now, go ahead now and add your credit card or debit card information from this option, this one and this one. So after you add your card information, now as you can see now, you'll be able to see the amount that you will going to be charged from by Facebook monthly. So according to my currency, I will be charged 4,500 every month. So if you type in your card detail, tap on this save button, then from there you can just wait for like some minutes or some hours. From there you'll be able to get verified on your Facebook profile. Hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe.